This comprehensive grooming system provides a complete solution for at-home haircuts and styling, featuring a main clipper, a precision T-blade trimmer, a foil shaver, and attachments for nose and beard trimming. The primary hair clipper utilizes sharp stainless steel blades and an adjustable lever, complemented by 10 guide combs to effortlessly manage various hair lengths and thicknesses. For an exceptionally close and smooth finish, the upgraded foil shaver incorporates a unique dual-layer floating mesh and a 2-speed turbo mode to eliminate stubble without irritation. Each tool in the set boasts impressive cordless performance, with the main clipper running for over 3 hours on a single charge, making the entire kit highly portable and convenient for travel. Maintenance is simplified thanks to an IPX6 waterproof design that allows for easy rinsing, while the intelligent LED display conveniently shows the remaining battery life and provides cleaning reminders. The entire set is distinguished by its durable all-metal construction and an elegant, vintage-inspired embossed pattern, giving it a premium look and feel.